At 47, I honestly thought I had missed the boat on AI. You see all these young people building wild things, and I felt like a dinosaur.
The jargon, a wall of noise. It might as well have been another language.
I was this close to giving up. Until one moment with an AI called Claude changed everything.
Today, I am giving you the simple, step-by-step guide I wish I had on day one.
So you can go from feeling left behind to actually using this stuff, no matter your age.
My breakthrough was not technical. It was not some galaxy brain moment.
It was realizing I was making it way too complicated. Using Claude is not about being a coder, it is about having a conversation. Think of it like hiring the smartest, fastest coworker you have ever met.
And today is your first day on the job. Your first step, open your browser and go to Claude.ai. Sign up with Google or email. You will land in a clean chat window. No clutter, no chaos.
Before you type anything, we need to give your new coworker a little background. This part is a game changer. It is called custom instructions.
Think of it like handing your coworker a cheat sheet so you do not have to repeat yourself every time. Go to your profile or settings and look for instructions or preferences.
You will fill out 4 simple things: who you are, your goals, your style, your deal breakers. Spend 5 minutes here, and every conversation you have from now on will feel like Claude already gets you. Now, how do you actually ask for things? People call it prompting, but really it is just talking clearly. Use my 3-part framework. Set the stage, define the task, specify the rules.
Let us say I want gardening video ideas. Set the stage. I am a YouTuber creating a video for beginner gardeners.
Define the task. Give me 5 video ideas about low-maintenance plants. Specify the rules. For each idea, give me a catchy title and a 1-sentence summary.
That is it. Not cryptic, not technical, just a clear brief, the same way you would talk to a real person.
If this is clicking for you, hit subscribe. It lets me know I'm on the right track and helps me make more guides like this.